Alright, here's a quick video on this telly I built. I think it said it was 2012. And right here is a picture of the laminated neck that I made for it. .25.5" scale, has a two-way truss rod in it. This one was built a year after I made the flame telly. That's the fretboard. It's a bird's eye maple fretboard. I assume this is where it's been being glued on. That spalted maple right there, that's on another build. I was doing it at the same time as this build. This is the cherry wood that I used. Now the top of this guitar was yellow heart. Right there. As you can see, there was a design cut into the top of it that mimics the telly instead of the traditional F-hole. I sold this guitar, I think a year after I made it, and when I sold it, it had Seymour Duncan pickups in it. The pickups you'll see in this are some pickups I had hanging around that I just put in it for the build at that time. I believe I used 500K pots in it. I can't remember the size tone cap. It was probably an 045 back then. As you see, it came out pretty nice. It played really good. It sounded really good with the Seymour Duncans in it. And that's what sold that guitar. I didn't really want to sell it, but somebody offered me some money for it, and on down the road it went. This is one I wish I'd have kept. But anyway, here you are. Thank you for watching.